Hello, welcome to this video. I will explain how to solve unprotected admin functionality challenge. This challenge is part of access control category. To access the challenge, click on this button. Difficulty for this challenge is Apprentice, so it will be easy to solve. And if we notice challenge description, this lab has an unprotected admin panel. Solve the lab by deleting the user Carlos. So this is the challenge page. We can notice to hyperlink home and my account. So to solve the challenge, we need to access admin panel and it is unprotected. So we can change the URL and instead of login, we can provide admin. However, it is showing not found message. So instead of admin, we can try administrator. Still, we are getting not found message. So generally in few application, developer used to keep a file called robust.txt, which sometimes reveals allowed and disallowed file or folder names. So we can check if this particular file is available in this application or not. So here we can notice it is present. So in the disallow section, an administrator panel is written. So we can try to access this particular URL. So just provide this in the URL and click on enter button. So this admin panel is accessible and that too without login. So this is like critical vulnerability where anyone can access admin panel and it is having functionality of deleting account as well. So there is lack of access control in this scenario. And to solve the challenge, we need to delete the account Carlos. So click on delete button for Carlos account and we can notice challenge solved successfully. Thank you.